Hi there. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between the words loose, as in loose trousers, and lose. Okay? So the way to remember this is my little son, or he's not little anymore, when he was younger, he used to have a book from Usborne and it was called A Goose on the Loose. Okay? So these are nice rhyming words, goose and loose. So a goose is a gans. And if it's on the loose, it means that it's no longer in its pen. It's got out. It's escaped. Okay, so it's no longer where it should be. And this lady here, she has loose trousers or loose jeans because she's lost weight. There's more space than there is of her. So well done you for doing your sport and watching what you're eating. Good on you, girl. Now these ones here aren't pronounced with a sharp oos. They're pronounced with an ooze. Okay, so to lose track. I think I've lost track with this Rubik cube. I'm a lost cause. Okay, this guy here, he feels like he's a loser. Maybe he is a loser. Maybe he isn't. But at the moment, he feels lost. And this question mark here is right in the middle of a maze. Lost in a maze. Okay? Or a labyrinth is another word for it. So, compare. Loose trousers, there's a goose on the loose. Or to lose track, to lose a game, to lose money, to lose his wife, or to get lost in a maze. This is the past tense. Or you could say the question mark is lost in a maze, or you can say it is going to get lost in a maze, or it got lost in a maze. Doesn't change anything there. Okay, so that's a little bit about the words loose and lose. Hope that made sense, and I'll speak to you very soon.